Hey everyone, today I'm just going to be sharpening this Ronin Katana brand Viking sword. Before I get this, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe. So here's the current edge. As you can see, it's not very sharp at all. So we're going to fix that. Just as always, whenever sharpening something fully double-edged, I've applied tape to one of the quillins. That way, it just makes it easier for me to keep track of which edge I am sharpening. The sharpening is now done. This blade is now sharp. That's the one edge. And here's the other. As you can see, nice and sharp. And this blade will now even shave hair. So that's it for today. If you have a Ronin Katana brand Viking sword, you can find out. Contact me at studentwarcustoms.com. The link will be in the description. The link to sharpening this particular sword will also be in the description, so definitely be sure to check it out. Thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you next video.